Hi, welcome to Miss Henderson's Algebra Common Core Canvas course for summer school. This video focuses on your week 2 assignments, so let's go into the student view and we will discuss what it is that is expected. You are going to click on modules and you're going to scroll down to week number 2. In this case, the first assignment is a Factoring Trinomials Review Edpuzzle. When you click on it, it's going to give you directions. Click on the link below, this one right here, to review how to factor trinomials. Another window will load and you will be asked to watch a video and respond to questions as the video plays. Please note, you do not need to log in to Edpuzzle to complete the task. If the video does not load the first time, close the window, refresh the Canvas page, and click the link to the Edpuzzle a second time. This video should appear. And any questions, let me know. So what that means is if I click on this video link right here, see how it says something went wrong? Don't panic. We're going to close out the window, go back to Canvas, and because the link is missing, you will have to hit the refresh button to have it pop up again. When I click on that link again, now it is going to have a video that I can press play and I can begin watching. The reason why it may not work the first time or the first couple times is sometimes Canvas takes too long to connect to Edpuzzle and so it can't get the video to pop up. That's okay. Just go ahead and refresh the page and click the link again and it should let you go. So you are going to watch the video in its entirety, and these little teardrops right here represent questions that are going to pause and make you have to answer before you can move on. Once you are finished watching the video, that submission will be sent to us and we will have that for a grade. Once you are done with that, you can go back to modules, and your second assignment for week 2 is actually practicing some of these factoring questions. So you can look at the worksheet here, or you can download it by clicking it on your own right here in this little link. And these are the 5 questions that Miss Henderson wants you to complete in terms of factoring. And you can use that Edpuzzle video to help you figure out how to factor. Once you have practiced it on your piece of paper, you are going to click on this Kahoot game that is going to ask you to solve all of these questions that you just did. So what you will do is click here. It will load up your Kahoot. You're going to type in your name. All right, it could be anything. Phyllis. And then you would click OK, go. It's going to start asking you questions that are going to look just like the worksheet, okay? The difference here is going to be on you submitting your answers, double checking that you are correct, okay? So, there we go. And again, once you're finished with that, you are all set. The only thing that Miss Henderson is asking is that you do a screenshot showing your nickname and your score with the date and the time on your laptop. And here's her example. And I have done a video on how to use your snipping tool to do a screenshot. If you need me to relink that again, I will do so. Okay? And to do that, you're going to click Submit Assignment, and you can upload your screenshot, your picture. You can do a video recording of your screen, so that way you can show the score that you have. And you will make sure to click Submit, so that way it's sent to Miss Henderson. And that is week 2 of your Algebra Common Core assignments. If you have any questions, please make sure you're asking.